Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geek. And today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing an Acefast wireless charger for cars. So thanks to Acefast for sending us this review sample, we'll be putting it through its paces on my Fiat 500. So first things first, I'm going to take my jerry-rig everything knife and open up the packaging, take those pesky plastic tabs so that we can easily get in, put that aside. So this is an interesting one. So it's a 15 watt fast wireless charger. And inside the box, we have obviously another box, but all the basics you need to get up and running are there. So in this case, we have a suction mount with a ball head. This is where we'll have the charger itself. This is the charger itself, which we'll mount in a moment. There is an additional suction pad mount for wider surfaces. And there's an air vent mount. This is what you'd put in your air vent to hold on to the device so that you can maybe not have the big arm out there if your device hasn't the right surface. We then have an instruction manual, which is well illustrated, and a cable in a box. So this cable is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. And the way it works is you mount your wireless charger onto the ball bearing of the holder. Actually, I should have done it the other way around. So you pop the screw on there and then you put the bit on there and then screw it up. Essentially, this is what keeps the charger relatively safe. And what we're going to do now is pause the video. We'll go and install this and show you how it's installed in the Fiat 500 and then give you some first impressions. Okay then, so here we are in the Fiat 500, which has a nice glossy bit here for attaching that suction cup. I'm going to take the plastic protector off. And in this case, I should be able to unclip the suction cup at the bottom, line it up nicely, and then clip it down. And there you go, it seems to work. Now, oh no, it's coming off. So that didn't work. Let's try it again. Maybe from the other angle. Okay, suction cup unclipped. Onto the dashboard and clipped in. Hopefully this works this time. So I have the USB cable that came with the charger, and what I'm going to do is plug it into, in this case, this is the unbreak-cable charger that we've already reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. It is a quick charge 3 one, so it supports more than 15 watts. I'm going to plug it into the bottom of the Qi charger here. So whilst your phone is completely wireless, I'll just turn the battery to my car on. You see that the charger automatically widens itself. So what I'm going to do is take a smartphone that supports wireless charging. In this case, it's the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, which we're about to release our long-term review of, and just pop that in. And you can see what it's doing is it's automatically adjusting itself to correctly charge the phone and also grip it correctly so it's safely in place. And if you want to take your charger off, you just press the button at the top here. Oh no, that came down. I should have probably tightened that. Here we go. So a key thing to do on your charger is to ensure that the arm is correctly adjusted. and that was tightened so that it won't fall down as we just saw. Let's pop it in again. So as you see, it correctly identifies the sweet spot for the Qi charging, in this case on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and then clamps the phone in place. So to take it out, you just move your hand to the back of the device, pick up the device, your phone, and it's there. So let's try this with another Qi wireless charging smartphone. In this case, I'm going to use the iPhone 13 Pro. I'm going to pop it in place. It identifies the sweet spot for the Qi wireless charging and charges the phone. And last but not least, let's look at the sorta sunny Google Pixel 6 Pro. It's currently at 89% battery. I'm going to just pop it in on the charger. It automatically identifies its sweet spot and its charging. So really quite clever. I'm really impressed. And if I switch the phone on, it doesn't tell me exactly what speed it's charging at, but it is charging. Oh, here we go. Charging wirelessly. So it works. So that's a really clever way of doing things. If, on the other hand, you prefer to use an air vent mount, this is an option as well. So here is the air vent option, which I could put into, say, this air vent. And the way you do that is you have a little clamp that goes in place and then gets screwed in. And you could mount the wireless charger that way. But in the way the Fiat 500 is organized with its vents, that may not be great, especially in the side vent. Let's have a look at how it works in the central vent next to the Android Auto console. That's better. So it would work quite well in this disposition as well. So let's take the Google Pixel 6 Pro off. So the way you take the device off the charger is quite simple. When it's in the charger, it finds the right sweet spot. All you need to do is gently tap at the top at the back, and that's how it automatically knows to disengage the clamp. So very, very clever ergonomics from Acefast here. I really like this charger. What we'll do is leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this device and find out more about Acefast. For now, thanks for watching this quick unboxing and setup and review video from Tech Travel Geeks. If you don't already, please do subscribe to us here on YouTube. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave questions in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.